Hi, just a quick live before I go busy for the day. I wanted to show you this gorgeous paper. This is product of the month. So there's my details, Fiona Fernandez in Pyrmont. You can shop with me at my FionaFernandez.stampinup.net and go shop now. When you're shopping in the in the shop, they have a banner across the top to tell you about free shipping, and that's on finishes today, so that's on orders over $65 Australian. And you can also get product of the month while it's available. So this is when you order over $125, you can choose this for $9. So they're doing this every month now, which is fantastic. So happy about that. Let's go and find my video on the screen so I can see if anybody's joining me. And I think the sound's there. Let me just double check. I'll just make sure I can hear me. And I'm on my phone today, so it's different. I usually do it on my iPad. So this is the paper. Look at this. I'll come close. Let's see if it makes a difference with that light on. Move that up a bit. Oh, I haven't got the microphone plugged in today, but I don't think I need it with this. It's just in the way there. Okay, look at the beautiful detail on that. So that's one side. So you get 2 sheets of each. That's the back. And we've got one there, one there. And then we've got these ones. I just opened it now, so I haven't done anything else with it yet. There's the back of that one. I just really wanted to show it to you. So gorgeous. It's matte. It's a matte finish on the paper. Not shiny. Great little patterns going on here. And I've seen some of the tutorials already from some of the demonstrators showing us some cards that they made with this paper. It's gorgeous. So this is only a limited offer. It's only while stocks last, and it's product of the month. So all the details are on the website. If you need more, contact me. So once you put it in your cart for the month, that's it. You can't get it again. And there's only one per person. Per account, I should say. But if you miss the month and there's still some available next month, you can still pop it in your cart next month, providing it's still there. So that's the paper. Isn't that gorgeous? So that is called True Blue Florals. So look for that in your cart. And I did buy some kits, just 2. I got the birthday florals, birthday fancy kit, which I am going to open because I'm going to make them up. Because, not right now, but I will make them up. And use them. I thought they were such a nice kit. Just put that, off. Move that out of the way. 2 kits here. So this one has stamps in it. We might have the little brochure in there. Hang on. It's all wrapped up. Looks like this. So these are all the different cards you can make with it. And I thought, wow, what a lot of variety. It's got a lot of different ones in there. I think there's 12 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cards. Look at that. And fancy little envelopes as well. So that's gorgeous. And you get a little ink spot. That's got Lost Lagoon in it. Now we want to see what those words are, don't we? Let's see if it's got the thing in it. The thing. I'm looking for the thing. The piece of the words that go with that. They put little sheets in now. Look, this has got gold on all the envelopes. That's really cool. And it matches the cards. Look at this. That's shiny gold. So there, we've got all different cards in there. Look, we've got gold ones. We've got Lost Lagoon ones. And we've got all the bits and pieces. Oh, there's some other cards. Oh, we've got a variety. Great big thing of stickies, dimensionals, and all the other bits and pieces. Oh, they look so much more vibrant in real life, don't they? I find that sometimes that you can think, oh, it's not very bright or whatever. Like, look at that. That doesn't look that bright there. But when you look at it here, look at that. The colours are gorgeous. Oh, and I didn't even realise that till right now when I opened it. Oh, look at all the cakes. Makes you want to eat, doesn't it? Oh, some doilies. Look at them all. Wow. Look at that. Have fun making that up. I'll be probably making that up in my break. That's what else do you do in a break? Make cards. I don't think they've got the words for the stamps in this one. It doesn't look like it. Sometimes they put words in the newer kits now. They put a little sheet in. So all of the kits come with, let me see if I can get this out. Oh, it might be in there. Hang on. Hang on a minute. Oh, don't speak too soon. Here it is. Here it is. It's in the packet. I've just got to get it out of there. Oh, here it is. Look, that's what I was talking about. So we've got all different languages, but we have the English one. Sweetest birthday wishes. Let's eat cake. Happiest birthday. Sending you happy birthday wishes. Wishing you another year as sweet as you. And then you've got for you. And time to celebrate. So lots of stamps in there. And then when you're finished with it all, you can just fold that. I just sort of keep all of them. You could just cut that one off, whichever one's applicable. And pack it away with your little stamps when you're finished. Keep the little plastic on here, because I found that if that sticks to something like this, it's hard to get the paper off it. So I store that with my stamps in a little, often they come with little baggies with different bits and pieces in them, like that little bag there. I'm not sure if it'll fit in that one, but some of them do. So that's what I do with mine. And I also have the instructions here, so it shows you everything. So with all the kits, they come with full instructions. And when you open it up, this one might be a little bit different because it's got so many cards in it. Yep. Oh no, maybe not. It tells you what you need in each different card. 1, 2, 3. See, it's got all the bits you need out to put your cards together. And then you go through the inside and it shows you exactly what to do in what order. So make sure you put the sticky bits on exactly where they show you, because sometimes they're lined up on purpose so that they don't, if they're overlapping something. So it's really, they're really good little instructions. Love the kits. I do card and cover, so my next one's in February. Check my calendar. And this is another kit that I got, just because I could. I do sell the kits on my stalls as well. So anything I've got in stock at the time, it may not be in stock online, because I might have got it early before they all ran out. But this one's called Loveliest Wishes Kit, so I won't open this packet. So when they open the box like this with no plastic on the outside, they're fully enclosed inside, and they don't have any stamps in these ones. They just stick it all together, and they've got all the bits you need. Look at that bling. Isn't that gorgeous? That's beautiful bling. So it's got a bit of gold going on, and it is hard to see the pictures here, but I'm sure it's like the other one. It'll look much more impressive once you open it. And put them together. So I'll have that on my stall one of these days soon. So if you're watching for me, just ask if I've still got it if you want to know. Okay, that's me for today. Free shipping finishes today, so tonight. So make sure you shop if you want to get free shipping. And yeah, that beautiful blue paper is product of the month. I'll just stick that there. Okay, ciao.